everyone, welcome back to my channel. Liza here. Today I'm doing a cleaning video. I've got an hour before the boys get picked up as they're going out for the day, so I thought I would get tidying and get cleaning. They're currently watching a film together. They've actually been in Vinny's bedroom this morning whilst I've been getting ready, and the room is a mess. So I'm going to start with the boys' bedrooms and then work my way around the house, probably ending with the kitchen downstairs. So if you want to see me clean my house, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start by showing you what Vinny's room is looking like at the moment. Yeah, the bed hasn't been made yet and the toys are everywhere. First of all, I'm going to start by opening the windows. So I like to open the windows first just to get some air in the house. So where shall we start? I think we'll start with clearing the floor space and putting the toys away.
Walking down the shore, diving head first down to the ocean floor. Your dark brown eyes reflect fireflies, living bright nights, getting me high on life. It's a night to stay up late. Things we have to do can't wait. We've got catching up to do. There's a
Okay, so now the bed and the toys are all away, I'm just going to give it a quick polish and a hoover. I'm just using this Pledge multi-surface polish and this is in the jasmine scent, so I'm just going to use that now with a microfiber cloth.
We'll take a long walk till we start to freeze, hearing small talk over the summer breeze. Out of safe zones, finding hidden caves, all the wet stones shaped by the ocean waves. It's a night to stay up late. Things we have to do can't wait. We've got catching up to do. There's a glow about you. This is a perfect.
So that is Vinny's room all done now, and it's just so much tidier. It literally doesn't take very long at all to do, but it makes such a difference. Making the bed, getting rid of the toys, and a quick hoover always makes a room look super clean and tidy. Right, let's move on to Renzo's room then. Renzo's room isn't too bad because they haven't been in here this morning. He's just slept in his bed. So I'm going to make his bed and again clean the surfaces and also hoover. I'm also going to get that window open whilst we're in here and let some air in.
To stay up late. Things we have to do can't wait. We've got catching up to do. There's a glow about you. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length of the North Shore. Stay up for the sunrise, make a wish. There is no way we'll be forgetting. Listen to old songs in headphones. Don't wanna wake up tomorrow. I know a place, would you like to go? You love the view from up there, I know. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length of the North Shore. Stay up for the sunrise, make a wish. There is no way we'll be forgetting. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length of the North Shore. Stay up for the sunrise, make a wish. There is no way we'll be forgetting this.
Okay, and that is Renzo's bedroom all done. So I've made the bed, put the toys a bit tidier and hoovered, And I've also wiped down the surfaces just to make sure they are dust free. So that is basically how I do the boys' bedrooms. Very simple. I keep them very minimal in here, and that's how they stay tidy. So yeah, that is the boys' bedrooms all done.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa. Let's go. Summer's gone, I'm latching on.
It's almost 10 o'clock now. The boys are getting picked up at 1:30. So I've got half an hour left, and I've just come downstairs now to get a few bits done in the kitchen just to give it a little spruce up. As you can see, it took half an hour then to do the boys' bedrooms and hoover upstairs. So that is all done now, and now it's just to tackle this, which is not too bad actually because I did it all yesterday. So it's just like bits from the morning and stuff that I need to tidy up. So I'll give you a quick overview. This is how everything is currently looking. It's not too bad. I've literally just got to clean the surfaces and stuff like that. We've got some recycling that needs to go outside, washing that needs to go away, the usual kind of stuff. I actually cleared this area the other day because I got a new coffee machine, and if this area over here is cluttered, then everything looks cluttered. So yeah, it's all kind of clutter free at the moment, but I have got like my Shark Hoover charger out and my battery charger for my camera and things like that. So I'm going to get all of those and put them away. I'm also going to put my candle wax burner on just to make the room smell nice. So I'm going to start by doing that. I'm actually going to move this out the way because they're going out in a minute, and that is their bag. So I'm going to put that by the door. So let's put my little wax melt on, and that is going to make the room smell amazing. Let's get started. So I'm going to start by putting the washing up away because that always makes a huge difference, because look how cluttered this looks. Oh my god.
Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body, you're so close. No, I can't forget, no. When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important, should be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Lose control of myself, can't find you anywhere. Been trying for too long. I give up, I'm out of luck. Been looking everywhere.
Okay, so whilst I'm at the microwave, I'm just going to clean it with some wipes. These are microwave and fridge freezer wipes, and I got them from Dunelm. They're really good. So I'm just going to give it a little wipe down because it's a little bit dirty.
Doesn't make sense, no. So bring it back, cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important, should be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Cause you
Okay, so now the surfaces are pretty much clear, I'm going to spray some anti-bac by Method. This is the wild rhubarb, and I'm just going to wipe down all of the surfaces and give them a little clean. So let's get started. And I'm going to wipe everything down using this sponge by Minky. I absolutely love this sponge, and I will dry the surfaces after with another cloth, which I'll show you in a minute.
Think about the way we used to be. When I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better.
After I've wiped the surfaces, I'm just going in with this cloth, which is by Spontex, and I'm just using this to avoid any streaks.
When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby.
So that took 20 minutes, and that is the kitchen done. If I have a bit of time later on, I will sweep and mop the kitchen floor, but for now, that is the kitchen. I'm going to go see what the boys are up to now and see if I can tidy the lounge quickly with the 10 minutes I've got left. Got Vinny here, Renzo over there in a pillow pile. Right, so Mummy's going to tidy this mess up now. We've got a few little toys here, so we're going to get that tidied before the boys go in, well, 5 or 10 minutes.
I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around that old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better off. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong.
I've just literally tidied this up. Okay, so the sofa's looking a little bit better now. I've also popped on my electric wax burner over there just to make it smell nice in here. I've also hoovered the floor really quick and tidied the toys away, so that looks a lot better. Just sorted this cushion. I've just sorted the throw out on this chair, and yeah, everything looks a lot tidier. So that is my quick 1 hour speed clean. So I've got my cleaning done, and the boys are ready to go out now, aren't you?
Yeah.
You're gonna go out with Nanny now?
Yeah.
And Mummy can have a cup of tea in peace.
Yay.
Hooray! Right guys, so I got all of that cleaning done in 1 hour. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And we'll see you all in the next video.
Bye. See you later, guys.
Bye!
Bye.